Hi, I'm Nilesh.
I'm Ujwala.
We are living in Pune, and in this video, you will hear experiences from my friends and family about the lockdown,
So for that we prepared some questions.
and we all be answering those questions.
Hi
Hi guys,
everyone.
this is Hitesh.
This is
Wait a minute.
Mini.
Hi there, my name is Diana.
Hi, I'm Abhi.
We're both in Canada and we're going to answer a few questions.
So let's start with the first question.
The thing which I am missing is my cycling. I love cycling. I used to go every weekend for cycling in a beautiful part of the Pune. So that is the one thing which I am missing right now.
I'm missing weekends. Every day is same for me, and I don't have any routine like his office, my daughter's school. So I'm missing
That
weekends.
way,
Maybe
Basically, I'm
the
in jail.
mainly the office routine and going out.
Yes, cause then you have a perfect routine. You go out, you enjoy some time with your colleagues. But now here you are just locked down completely.
I'm definitely missing my friends. I used to go to the gym 5 to 6 times a week, and I had a very big group of friends joining me there, and that used to be my socializing point. And I am not able to do that right now, and I'm definitely missing that the most.
For me, I think it has to be being close to a water source. So I really miss Toronto's harborfront. I miss like being by a beach or by the water somewhere. So that's something for me. What about you?
I'm missing listening to books, especially on Audible. I'm
Yeah.
missing listening to songs on my headphones.
Yeah,
So that's what we used to do while traveling to home from office. So I'm
Yeah.
missing that.
we did that.
so for me, it is reading books, making videos for YouTube, and though my weekdays are not free, my weekends are free, and I am doing all these activities on weekends.
For time pass, I'm watching web series, some cartoon movies with my daughter, and YouTube channel for new recipes.
For me, it's cooking
For me, it's Netflix, doing my workouts, which I never used to get time for.
and also cooking some good food for
Cooking.
me.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I'm trying to get caught up in a lot of TV series I always wanted to watch and didn't have time to watch. So I'm watching a lot of TV, maybe cooking some new dishes. Um, that's pretty much it.
So we've started to meditate quite a bit. So we do spend at least an hour meditating, which is nice. We cook a lot more.
We are cooking different type of dishes every day,
Yes.
so that is our favorite time pass.
Yes,
these
and
days.
then I have started to learn hip hop dance, which I think is fun because we're not moving, we're at home all day, so we just turn on like a YouTube video tutorial, and we just started like.
We didn't take any challenge, online challenge. For you?
So there were many challenges coming on WhatsApp to do this, do that, but I didn't find them interesting, and we didn't took any challenge.
One. Not for me. I have not taken any
I have
online
taken
challenge.
the weirdo one, which is Sari challenge, and I completed that.
That's not a challenge.
It was kind of, and then I have taken some small challenges like in games, pool, etc.
I have to admit that I have not accepted any online challenges, even though there are a lot of really good challenges sent by my friends. So maybe there is something I can think about and do it.
Uh, no, we
Yeah.
haven't taken any online challenge, but we are doing some online courses. So
Yes, yeah.
that's
Yeah,
the
we're doing-
replacement that we are doing.
Yeah, like we're trying to read up about meditation, about businesses, and stuff.
I have to install multiple apps because few apps are enabling me to work from home. But apart from that, I have installed Discovery Plus app for my entertainment because this app has lots of episodes which we see on a Discovery channel. So it is an interesting app.
I have installed Big Basket for online grocery and Hotstar Disney for my daughter.
Carom.
Pool.
So we used to play a lot of carom and pool.
Um, I have to say it was Zoom so that at least I can talk to my friends and family over Zoom.
During lockdown.
Well, I installed Domino's app.
Domino's.
That's what I've been
Yeah.
missing, and I installed it, and we ordered food from Domino's.
Yeah.
So
I don't know if I've installed anything more, but I know that I use Instagram, I use Facebook a lot more in these days, just that.
Yes, unfortunately, on day 2 of the lockdown, tap of my water filter stopped working. So somehow we are managing it right now, but that is the one thing which stopped working.
Yeah.
Not really, but yes, there is a table which we have ordered online. We are trying to assemble it, but there are some parts missing. So that's one of the thing which we are missing during the lockdown, because else we would have gone outside and purchased it.
Repair. Thankfully, that has not happened. So yes, not everything so far has been working fine.
yes, recently our fire alarm stopped working.
Yes, we
and
don't have batteries for that.
Yeah, we don't know how to do that, but we went on to online tutorials and tried to replace it, and it's working fine now.
Yeah.
So I'm happy with that.
Yes, and also our TV, the remote from our TV is not working.
We're gonna have to figure that one
yes,
out.
yeah, that's
yet.
something.
Yeah, we are eating more healthy food because everything we are eating nowadays is cooked at our home. She is trying to have some new dishes every day or wherever it is possible so that our taste buds are satisfied. We don't miss outside food. Though my daughter is missing her favorite pizza, we cannot get it right now.
Me, yes, because
For me,
she posts
no,
me
no.
always.
We are eating all junky stuff like we
Because I
are
never had
pani
that chaat.
puri, we are making the chaat stuff and noodles.
I'm a foodie, so that's why.
Puri, aloo, and all the time we are eating just aloo.
So she is a health freak. I'm not.
I'm not sure because sometimes, yes, definitely I'm cooking at home. I'm making good food at the same time. I'm baking and making some unhealthy choices. So it's kind of balanced, I would say. But eating outside is definitely, obviously, completely stopped, and I would say that's a healthy change.
We were keen. We were eating healthy food right from the beginning, so I don't think we have changed anything much in our diet.
Yes,
Yeah.
I think we're eating home a lot more. Like we don't go out as much. That's the only difference. But otherwise, not much has changed.
I don't think so. I gain weight.
Yeah, I also don't think I have gained any weight.
Wait, not really.
Me, yes.
Definitely. I'm not working out even inside the house, and I'm eating much more than I usually would, and baking cakes and eating those. So yes, I've gained weight.
I don't think so.
No.
So life today without internet will be very difficult because we will not be connected with everyone. I will not be able to make such videos for YouTube if internet is not there. We will need internet for entertainment as well. So it will be very difficult to live without internet.
I think no, not
Not at
at all. Because we all are doing this because of the internet. Because of the internet, we are not killing each other. We are actually spending time over the Netflix, cooking, watching YouTube videos, and helping other friends and learning other stuff as well.
Internet, absolutely not. You cannot take that away from me right now.
I think that's really tough, but I also think it's possible. I don't think it's impossible, but it'll be really, really hard. It'll be painful.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
How about you?
It will be painful, as you said. It is going to be tough, but I think we could manage with that.
Yeah.
One learning which I have got is I should know cooking because it is very essential skill and I should have that. Apart from this time will have a learning for everyone, individual, companies, government, everyone, because we never understood the pandemic, how it will be and how to handle it. So we will have a lot of learning.
Definitely, yes.
What will be that?
The time we spent being 24/7 together and
A learning is like for me, it's like whenever I'm going out to where the groceries or coming in, as soon as I come in, I'm going to use to wash my hands and whatever the rest of which we usually don't do. We just bring it, keep it in the fridge, and then you wash it at the time of using it. But it's better we wash it at the time we enter in the house. So that will be a good learning just to keep the hygiene, you wash your hands, we follow the yoga, pranayam, or some kind of physical activity if you get some chance. And also, most of the time we spend over the weekend just talking with the family members. So that's we don't get that time.
I would say there's going to be a lot of learning from this time. Few things would be how to live optimally, how not to waste food, and everything, water, soap, when we know we can't go to grocery store all the time, how to be happy in minimum things you have, and how to make best of what you have. I think those few will definitely be learning moments. In terms of other things I can think of is, I think we are going to realize so many things can be actually done working from home, and I don't know if it's necessarily a good thing or a bad thing, but I think a lot of businesses are going to change the way they function, including medicine.
This I've actually thought about, and one, I think because people are being forced to stay home, we recognize that it's possible. It's possible for companies to function, not all, but for some to function where employees are completely working from home. So that's a different way of thinking. The other thing I feel is when things are really hard, like the entire world is stuck at home at this time, but you see how people are coming out of their way to help each other. So no matter what happens in life, no matter what the situation is, deep down we're all really good, and we all really want to help one another.
Yeah.
And we're not enemies out there, or not we're not on different teams. We're eventually on the same team, which is something we proved by the situation and the way we responded to it. So even though COVID goes away and everything goes back to normal, it's good to remember that in every place in the world, people have stepped up to help each other, and they've found creative ways to be there for one another, which I think is pretty cool.
Yeah, and I think if free and ease stuff that we are going through, we are in this together, and we are able to manage all the things together. We are doing this, fighting this thing together. So that's pretty much. I mean, the unity that the people have shown, they have come together to help each other, etc. And it's really good to see.
Yeah.
So that's a positive thing that I thought this has shown us.
Yeah.
The good side of it.
We're on the same team.
For me, I would like to go for the long drive, and I have planned something after lockdown.
Yes, we are desperately waiting for it, and we will be definitely going on a very long trip and very beautiful destination.
And this is over. I wanted to go on a road trip.
Jogging,
For me.
walking, gym.
That will be my first thing. I will be going out somewhere in Highlands, or because it's summer here, the weather is really nice, it's sunny, so I wanted to go enjoy some parts of the Highland in Scotland.
Most likely it's going to be a huge get together with all my friends here in our backyard, maybe a barbecue party or something. So that will be the first activity.
This is over.
We are going to go on a long drive.
Yes.
Somewhere in county.
Somewhere near a water,
Yeah.
close to a water source.
We
Yes.
probably will do
Yeah.
camping.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think that was all. Thank you all for listening.
I think this is it. I wish everyone safety and health. Stay safe, stay happy, make best of whatever we have right now, and hopefully this time will be over soon. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you all for participating in this video and sharing your experiences.